What's up guys, Bakey20 here, back for another video. So today my cat have taken over the stadium and now we need to get rid of her. The first way that will fight her is Zillion Zeus. So, oh, she already attacked Zillion Zeus. Now let's just attack her. Please cat. Oh no, cat. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh no. The cat ruins my launch. Oh, please, cat, get out of my stadium. Please, I'm just playing some Beyblades. Oh, please, no. Oh, no. Cat, no. Jay. Okay. Second plan. Second plan, Xena Excalibur. Oh, no, she already attacked her. Seriously, cat? Please. Oh, this works. Oh, no. She grabbed Xena. Oh, no. Xena.
Cat 1, Beyblade 0.
Okay, so the cat won that round. Oh no, oh no, this became so brutal. Please. Okay, twin, this is your job. Next, twin nemesis. Okay, twin. Oh, sorry. Bad launching hand. Come on, ultimate reboot. Okay, no.
Cat 2, Beyblade 0.
Okay, now it's Nightmare Lunar. Come on. Ugh. Oh no! Miss launch. Oh no. I can't let this happen. Okay. Oh, don't attack your friend. Oh no. Oh no, lost. Oh no. Nightmare lost. Oh no. Cat. Oh, please. Yes! We defeated it. Oh no. Oh no. Please, cat, get out of here, cat. Cat. Okay, goodbye, cat. Goodbye. Yay, we finally get rid of the cat. Now I can play with my stadium. Finally. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy. Please smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't. And please always have a catnipable day.